Okay, so hello guys. Today we talk about table in HTML. What are the table and how we use this? So basically, when you create a like data, like your name and your roll number and your grade in a tabular form. So you need uh, uh, to create a table, okay, in a particular format. So basically, when you are creating a table in a tabular form, so you can say that that is the table. Okay. So mostly we are using here a three tag tr and your td and th. So tr stand for table row and th for table heading and td for table description. Okay, and also we are using a border attribute. So whenever we define the table, and then we have to need define the border. And so border basically it's a uh, thickness of the that table. So okay, and here you can also use the table heading, table body, and table footer. So all content in whatever content in inside the heading tag. So that is the table heading and table t body. So this is the table body. So whatever content you are writing inside the body tag. So that's your table body and table footer. Whatever content you are describing your footer. So it comes inside the footer. So basically, it's your choice. You and table footer, and it's your choice. Yeah, it's not necessary. You simple use a table tr, th, and td. Okay, and you have to use a border. So let's see the practical. We go to the your VS Code, and I'm go to here and open the VS Code. Now you have to simple go to here, file, click here, file, and open the folder, and then you have to select the folder and create a file with .html extension. Okay, so these things you have to do the first, then you have to come here and you have to simply write here a exclamation mark and hit enter, and your basic code is comes here. Then uh, you have to take a heading, uh, h1 tag, uh, here you write student table. Okay, so this is the heading. Now main part is comes start. So first you have to take a table, okay, and hit enter. Then you have to take a table row. Okay, now inside this you have to need a take a your heading, like so like your student name, student name. Okay, and second heading your roll number. Okay, then third heading is like your grade. Okay, and here you take a section. Okay, so these are four things I'm taking here. You can take accordingly whatever your need or requirement. So now you have to simple go to right click and go to open with the live server. As you can see this, this is the student table, and this is comes student name, roll number, and section. But here no here not any border. So okay, and after this you have to create a table description, because I am taking here a table heading th tag. So as you can see that these are the comes in a bolding. Okay, so now you have to simple go to here and take the first border to take like 5. Okay, save this. Now when you are go to here, as you can see this, now it's look pretty good in a tabular form. Now you have to simple go to again, and now you have to take a different student name and roll number and section and grade. So then you have to simple go to the here and take the again table row, next row. Okay, inside this you have to take some data. So you have to, for data you have to need a td. Okay, now write your name, like so first name is Babulal, my name is. Okay, next your roll number, so like td, and roll number is like 70. Okay, I'm taking just example td again, and taking as section a. Okay, and then again td, enter grade a. It's your choice, whatever grade your comes you have to take this. Again I'm taking the next row. This is the comes up all in a row. So this is the comes up student name, and then this is the same row, all data is comes in a same row. Now you have to take another row. You have to simple go to here, you simple copy this and paste here and change the name. Take a Rahul. Here take roll number any 90. Your section is a B, and the grade is a B. Okay. Now another student to tell, you have to simply copy this and then again paste. Take here another name Rahu, and take a roll number 90, and take here section C, and okay, credit D. Now you have to go to here, and as you can see this is your table, it comes here. Now you can take the lost of data. Uh, it's your mm, according to your need. Okay, you have to simple paste and paste and paste and paste. Okay, now save this, and you have to go to here. As you can see this is the all data comes tabular form. So first you have to create your simple define the table, and then you have to define the border, and then you have to simple take the tr tag, and inside the tr tag you have to need a heading. So you define the heading. If you will not need a heading, so you don't define your th tag. Simply you have to write a td tag. Inside td tag you can define these student name, roll number, and section and grade. And one thing you can also use era, like this is the your heading, table heading. So like table head, okay, table body and table footer. So whatever your like suppose that this is content in your heading header. So you have to simple take a here, here you have to simple cut this, and here you take the table head, and inside this you have to paste this, and so you identified this content, this comes up inside the header. So this is the top content, and remaining this is the body content. So you have to simple go to here, and Control X, and here you have to define the table body, and inside this you have to paste this and save this. Now nothing is changed. Okay, all data is same. Okay, but here you see this is the when someone read your code, so he or she uh, understand that this is the heading tag, header part, and this is the whole content. It comes to the body, inside the body. Okay, and like suppose you are taking some footer, so you can take a footer, uh, table footer. Okay, inside the footer, like suppose you have to define this. Okay, so copy this and paste there. Okay, so this is the whole content comes inside the footer. So you have to go to here, and as you can see this is your footer content which comes here. So this is the basic things which we are using here. So you have to simple create a table, uh, and then you have to simple use the tr tag for row, and ts for heading, and for description or table data for td. These three things you have to use, and yeah, also you have to use a border. Okay, yeah, so these are the basic things, and by using these tag you can create your table easily. So okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching the video.